All right, we offer a brand new feature in the Conversion Pros, and it's a way to use an autoresponder without using a capture page. So if you have your own website, or if you have a blog and you want to add a opt-in form to it, but use the autoresponder built in the Conversion Pros, this tool will do it. So let's get started. I'm going to scroll down to my marketing suite, and there is a tab called External Capture Page Builder. I click on that. It's very easy. So you're just going to click on the Create button. Now, you want to name it. So let's say I'm doing a blog list. Maybe I'll just name it blog email list. Okay? And then redirect URL means where do you want them to go once they enter their info and hit the button. You could type any website you want. I'm just going to type in the Conversion Pros. Okay. Success message. This is what message you'll get after they hit the button. So thanks. I'll be in touch soon. You could write whatever you want. All right. Now it says pick the mail campaign. So you have to have an autoresponder already set up. This is going to, when I click this box, it's going to show every autoresponder that you made in your system. So I go down here and there's a bunch. So let's say I want to put it on the prospects list. Okay. And then it says pick the required field. So right now it's just email, but if you want first name, last name, and phone number, you could get all four, or just first name, email, phone, or just email, phone, whatever you want. Okay. Those are your selections right now. I'm going to hit save. Okay. Now, this is a pop-up here, and what is this? You're only going to see this one time. This pop-up is asking you what features do you want on this for the Conversion Pros. What is the main thing that you would want to add to this new tool? Okay, so this gets your vote. All the users get to vote and see if they want a WordPress plugin or change the fonts and colors or whatever. So look at these carefully and then select one and hit submit when you're done reading it. And that just helps us make the tool better for you. Okay, so now it's done. So now I scroll down and you see I have it right here. And I want to get the code to go embedded into a website. So I click on code. And we give you two types of code. We give you the JavaScript, or we give you raw HTML. Certain people like JavaScript, certain people like HTML. Now, a lot of people use the HTML because if anybody knows HTML, they can really get in here and edit the form to make the form look how they want to match their website, change the colors and things like that. You kind of got to know the HTML to do that. But I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm just going to click on copy code. That's it. Okay. Now, to show you how it's going to work, I'm just going to come over here to the blog that we give you. Okay, so let's say I wanted to add a page on my blog that was for my mailing list. So I would click on pages, and I would click on add new, and add new page. And let's say I wanted to say get on my mailing list. Okay. I like to make a get on my mailing list. Be great if I could spell. All right. Now what I'm going to say here, well, first and foremost, you see where it says visual text and builder. Now, if you're putting this on a website, you won't have all this stuff for WordPress, but I'm just going to show you. So you want to make sure you're in the text if you're using this on WordPress, okay? I'm just going to go and paste the code, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here to visual real quick because I just want to add a couple things. So you can kind of see this here. Don't mind the way this looks right now. So then I'm just going to say get all my updates. I went back to visual to do this, the visual tab, not on the text. So we pasted it in text, and I went back to visual just to write this real quick. Get all my updates. Get on my list. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bold that. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. This doesn't really have anything to do with the tool. I'm just kind of dressing this up to give you an example of kind of what it would look like on a blog page here. And then one last thing here, I'm going to add a picture. So I go add media. Just going to add my picture if I wanted to, for example, right there. Once I got all that done, I'm going to hit publish. And click on view the page. And that's how it looks. So basically, it says get all my updates, get on my list. Now you see the form that people could fill out right here. They fill out the form. When they hit submit, it'll go to whatever website that you wanted that button to go to, and they will start to get your autoresponder messages from the list that you have created. So really, it's just copying and pasting. I added this and added the picture, but if you can copy and paste, you could add a form now to any website, any any blog, anything like that to get a form. And this is our basically our quick form. We're going to, again, with that survey that you're filling out, it's going to allow us to add all kinds of extra features to change maybe the size of the form, the colors of the fonts, and all that kind of crazy stuff that we do with the conversion pros that everybody loves so much. But everybody's been asking for this, so we wanted to get it out there ASAP. So there you go, and it's very easy to do. Talk to you later.